Introduction: a beacon of knowledge. Nalanda Mahavihara stands as a testament to India's rich intellectual heritage. Established in the 5th century CE, this ancient university was a beacon of knowledge for over 700 years. Located in the fertile plains of Bihar, Nalanda attracted scholars and students from far and wide. Its reputation for academic excellence spread across Asia, drawing eager minds to its hallowed halls. The university's influence transcended geographical boundaries, shaping the intellectual landscape of the ancient world. Nalanda's story is one of remarkable achievement, tragic destruction, and hopeful revival. It is a story that continues to inspire and remind us of the enduring power of knowledge. The Golden Age, Nalanda's zenith. Nalanda's golden age spanned several centuries, marked by a flourishing of intellectual and cultural activity. The university was home to thousands of students and scholars, all engaged in the pursuit of knowledge. Subjects ranged from astronomy and mathematics to philosophy, medicine, and the arts. The curriculum was rigorous, demanding the highest levels of intellectual discipline and critical thinking. Debates and discussions were encouraged, fostering an environment of open inquiry. Nalanda's reputation attracted renowned scholars like Nagarjuna, Aryadeva, and Dharmakirti. These luminaries made significant contributions to their respective fields, cementing Nalanda's status as a center of academic excellence. A magnet for scholars. Knowledge seekers from afar. Nalanda's fame spread far and wide, drawing scholars and students from all corners of Asia. Travelers from China, Korea, Japan, Tibet, and Southeast Asia braved arduous journeys to reach this renowned institution. The Chinese pilgrim Xuanzang, who spent several years at Nalanda in the 7th century CE, left detailed accounts of the university's grandeur and academic rigor. His writings provide invaluable insights into the daily life and intellectual pursuits at Nalanda. The presence of international scholars created a vibrant multicultural environment, fostering cross-cultural exchange and understanding. Nalanda became a melting pot of ideas, where diverse perspectives converged to advance knowledge and push the boundaries of human understanding. The library's treasures. A wealth of wisdom. At the heart of Nalanda's intellectual life lay its magnificent library, known as Dharmaganja, the treasury of truth. This vast repository of knowledge housed countless manuscripts on a wide range of subjects. The library was organized into several multi-storied buildings, each dedicated to a specific field of study. The manuscripts, painstakingly copied by hand, represented the collective wisdom of generations of scholars. They covered subjects like astronomy, mathematics, medicine, philosophy, religion, and literature. The library attracted scholars from far and wide, eager to access its vast collection. It served as a vital center for the preservation and dissemination of knowledge, ensuring the continuity of ancient wisdom. Section 5. Life at Nalanda. A day in the life of a scholar. Life at Nalanda was highly disciplined and structured around the pursuit of knowledge. Students followed a rigorous daily routine that began before dawn and continued late into the evening. The day started with meditation and prayers, followed by lectures, debates, and individual study. Scholars lived in simple dormitories within the university complex, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Meals were taken together in a communal dining hall, providing opportunities for informal discussions and exchange of ideas. Despite the demanding schedule, there was time for recreation and leisure. Students engaged in sports, music, and other forms of entertainment, providing a much-needed balance to their academic pursuits. Section 6. The Decline Seeds of Destruction. Nalanda's decline began in the late 12th century CE, a period marked by political instability and external threats. The rise of Islamic invaders in North India posed a significant challenge to the university's existence. The invasion of Muhammad Bakhtiyar Khilji in 1193 CE proved to be a turning point in Nalanda's history. Khilji's forces, driven by religious zeal and a desire for plunder, targeted centers of learning and religious institutions. The weakened political climate and lack of strong patronage further contributed to Nalanda's vulnerability. The once thriving university, weakened by internal and external pressures, was ill-prepared to withstand the onslaught of invaders. Section 7. The Fall, a Legacy in Ashes. The invasion of Nalanda by Khilji's forces was swift and brutal. The university, with its vast library and residential complexes, was ransacked and set ablaze. The invaders showed little regard for the invaluable manuscripts and the centuries of knowledge they contained. The destruction of Nalanda was a devastating blow to the intellectual and cultural life of India. The university, once a beacon of knowledge and a symbol of India's intellectual prowess, was reduced to ruins. The loss of Nalanda's library, with its irreplaceable collection of manuscripts, was an immeasurable loss to human knowledge. The destruction marked the end of an era, plunging India into a period of intellectual darkness. Section 8. Echoes of the Past. Rediscovering Nalanda. Despite its tragic end, Nalanda's legacy lived on in the memories of scholars and travelers. The ruins of the university, though a poignant reminder of its destruction, continued to attract visitors and pilgrims. In the 19th century, archaeological excavations at the site of Nalanda began to unearth the university's hidden treasures. The discovery of the ruins, including the remains of the library, lecture halls, and dormitories, provided tangible evidence of Nalanda's former glory. The rediscovery of Nalanda sparked renewed interest in ancient Indian history and culture. Scholars and historians began to piece together the university's history, revealing its significance as a center of learning and its impact on the intellectual development of Asia. Section 9. A New Dawn, Reviving the Flame of Learning. In recent years, there has been a growing movement to revive the legacy of Nalanda University. Led by the Indian government, this initiative aims to establish a new Nalanda University that embodies the spirit and values of its ancient predecessor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a strong proponent of reviving India's ancient heritage, has played a key role in this endeavor. He has spoken about the need to restore India's position as a Vishwa Guru, world teacher, and sees the revival of Nalanda as a crucial step in that direction. The new Nalanda University, established in 2010, aims to be a world-class institution of higher learning, attracting students and scholars from around the globe. It seeks to foster a spirit of inquiry, critical thinking, and cross-cultural dialogue, drawing inspiration from the legacy of its illustrious predecessor. Section 10. Conclusion. Nalanda's Legacy and Future. The story of Nalanda University is one of remarkable achievement, tragic loss, and hopeful revival. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of knowledge and the human spirit's ability to rebuild and reimagine. Nalanda's legacy continues to inspire us today, reminding us of the importance of education, the pursuit of knowledge, and the power of cross-cultural exchange. The revival of Nalanda University represents a commitment to reclaiming India's intellectual heritage and its role as a global leader in education. As the new Nalanda University takes shape, it carries the hopes and aspirations of a nation eager to reclaim its place as a beacon of knowledge and a center of global learning. The future of Nalanda is bright, promising to illuminate the world once more with the light of knowledge and wisdom.